Paid for a window seat.
Eat some chicken.
You know when we landed on?
Oh God, I am so sorry.
Okay, let's go.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain speaking. If you look to the right side of your aircraft, you will notice Flight 198 challenging us to a race. I've turned the fasten seatbelt sign back on because shit is about to get real.
We love you, you love us. We're much faster than a bus. We hope you enjoy our hospitality. Marry one of us and you'd fly free.